This is Robert Bornstein from Robert's Tropical Paradise Garden. Today we're going to discuss interior plants. Now, there's a lot of benefits to having interior plants in your house. NASA scientists have discovered that furniture, paint from the wall, produce gases, and these gases go out into the air and pollute the air inside your home. Now, in the olden days, everyone opened up their windows, had fresh air coming in and out. Nowadays, everybody's keeping their windows closed, and they say the most air pollution is inside people's homes. So the plants actually filter out toxins within the air. They take out the benzene, the formaldehyde, the toxic solvents, the disinfectants. All those produce toxic chemicals that we're breathing in on a regular basis. So the best plants to use, some of the best plants to have inside happen to also be some of the easiest to take care of. The Chinese evergreens, the spathiphyllums, the philodendrons, snake plants, spider plants, and dracaenas all have shown to filter out the air the best. So we're really lucky in that case. So thank you for coming to Robert's Tropical Paradise Garden and learning about how to cleanse the air inside your house with tropical plants.